How to improve your Yelp ratings. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can improve your Yelp ratings. The reason you should improve your Yelp ratings is because improving your Yelp ratings is crucial for your business online reputation. And here is how to do it. The first thing is to have a solid profile. Yes, having a solid profile plays a long way in improving your Yelp settings. And how can you do this? You can have a solid profile by updating your profile, create a thorough and appealing profile for your business by moving to the top right corner of the screen after signing in into your account. Okay, at top right corner, click on your profile icon, then click on account settings. Okay, so your account settings page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options which include profile, password, email notifications, locations, friends, privacy settings, and then you can see profile picture, you can see first name, last name, nickname, gender, your headline. Just add in all of this. Ensure you put in the necessary things that will make you look like a professional in what you do. And then once you are done, click on save. And then another thing is by working on your business profile, and that's by creating a business profile. To create a business profile, the major thing you need to do is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see here for business, then you click on add a business if you've not added a business already. But if you've added a business already, click on log into business account, and then be directed to the page where you'll be asked to input in your details and all of that. And then once you're logged in, customize your business account in such a way that you would look like a professional in what you do. Then after you've done that and you've inputted all of the necessary steps, now ensure you make use of the offers on the Yelp for Business Owners page, on the Yelp for Business page, such as the free tools, functionality, page upgrades, etc. Then next thing you should do is to listen to feedback and make changes. All right. Pay attention to your customers' reviews, address any issues promptly, and make necessary improvements. Show that you value customer opinions and are committed to enhancing their experience. For example, now in this particular restaurant, by the right side of the screen, you can see the reviews here. Okay, so as a business owner that wants to improve his or her rating, ensure you check through all of these all of these reviews, check the feedback, check how customers react to you, and then look for a way to make adjustments if necessary or to improve on things that you've been trying before. So this is how you can do it. Ensure you try all of this and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.